Hi everyone, this video tutorial will teach you how to create word cards and fully explore new words so that you can easily learn not only what a word means, but also how to use it properly. First of all, you can either create them on index cards or on your computer electronically. It is your choice. In step 1, simply write the target word in the middle, on the front of the index card. The word I chose for this video is competition. Step 2 is to write the parts of speech next to the word in parentheses so that you can remind yourself which word form it is. Competition is a noun, so write down noun. Step 3 is to discover other forms of the target word. Sometimes there is only one, but there could also be several depending on the word itself. The word competition has many, so I picked the most frequent ones and put them in the bottom right corner of the index card below the target word. There is the word compete, which is a verb, competitive is an adjective, competitively is an adverb, competitor is a noun, a person, and competitiveness is also a noun form of our target word. Step 4 involves exploring collocations or other words that typically appear with the target word. Let's start with before collocations such as fierce, global, fair, unfair, enter, or participate in. And write these words on the upper left corner. And then in step 5, let's move on to after collocations such as in, for, with, and against, and write them in the upper right corner. So these words normally occur before or after the word competition. Step 6. Now let's turn the index card over and put down more useful information. In step 7, let's look at the synonyms of this word. You might find several in your dictionary, but please use no more than 4 words. Competition can be a count noun or a non-count noun. Therefore, let's jot down synonyms for both. So write down the word synonyms in the upper left corner and underline it. Then underneath it, write down the phrase count nouns at the colon and the following synonyms: contest, race, and match. Below these words, or below this line, write down the phrase non-count noun at the colon and write the words rivalry and challenge. In step 8, we will write the word antonyms on the next line at the colon, underline it, and below the word antonyms, write down, again, no more than 4 antonyms. In this case, let's put down cooperation and cooperate. Now be warned that sometimes your target word will not have an antonym or an opposite. In that case, you will leave this line blank. In step 9, write the word definition on the next line below antonyms. So write definition, colon, underline it, and then add 1 or 2 short sentences which help you explain the true meaning of the target word. In this case, we will write 2 sentences. The first sentence is this: it is a contest or rivalry, period. The next sentence says, it is an organized event in which people try to win, period. In step 10, you need to make 1 or 2 sentences. or copy one from a dictionary so that you can practice using the word in context. So on the next line, write down the word sentence. Add the colon, underline it, and then write your sentence, but leave the place of the target word blank. So write an example sentence for the word competition when it is a count noun. Write count noun, add the colon. If you enter a singing blank, you can win $1 million, period. Now below this line, write non-count noun, add the colon, the constant blank between John and Peter in the office was annoying, period. If you're wondering why we left it blank, the answer is because if you are testing yourself or you're practicing with a friend, you will actually not see the target word on the backside of your index card. If you look at it, you can see the synonyms, antonyms, definition, and the sentences without the target word itself. So based on all the helpful information provided on the back, you can guess which word goes in the sentences. There is one extra step which you can do, but it's not necessary. For the extra step, turn the card back over and look at the front side. In the bottom left corner, add an analogy with the target word. So write down the word analogy, add the colon, and add the analogy, competition is to cooperation, as hard is to easy. And now you're done, and I bet you know everything about this word.